Samsung is working to build phone screens where the front camera is completely hidden under the screen, similar to the way the fingerprint reader is embedded within the screens of the latest Galaxy S10 phones. The latest Samsung phones have minimized the so-called notch found in iPhones and other modern Android devices for the camera on the screen. Without this perforator, used in the new Samsung Infinity O screens, manufacturers have to create a small cut at the top of the screen for cameras and other sensors. The iPhone has a notch that houses its camera and its FaceID system. Samsung can do this by creating an area of the screen that turns off the pixels when the camera is in use, so it can shoot without any light interference. It is not known when Samsung will produce these panels in bulk, but it would allow the phones to have screens that occupy the entire front of the device without cuts, notches or side and top bevels. As Apple also gets its screens from Samsung, it is plausible that this technology comes from Samsung phones and devices like the iPhone.